Imagine a life where money isn't a source of stress, but a tool for your dreams. This is the heart of financial freedom, a state where your finances work for you, and not the other way around. But true freedom begins in the mind. Our beliefs about money, shaped by family, culture, and past experiences, quietly influence every financial decision we make. Some see money as opportunity, others see it as a source of worry or limitation. Pause and reflect for a moment. What messages did you absorb about wealth? Are there invisible scripts whispering that you'll never have enough, or that wanting more is wrong? These are mental barriers, and they're more common than you think. Yet, just as a river carves its own path, you can reshape your relationship with money. It starts with awareness, recognizing the patterns that no longer serve you. Then, adopt a mindset of growth. View setbacks as lessons, and progress as a series of small, deliberate steps. Financial freedom isn't just about numbers in a bank account. It's about building confidence and trust in yourself. Take a deep breath. Know that it's possible to rewrite your financial story, starting today. Believe that your future can be different from your past. Approach each choice with curiosity, not fear. With clarity, practice, and self-compassion, you lay the foundation for lasting change. The journey to financial freedom is a journey of the mind, and it's one you are ready to begin.